School bus. Mama, school bus.
It's a school bus.
Look inside.
Yeah, but you're not enrolled in school yet. So you can't go on a school bus.
I go inside.
So no, go inside.
Oh, I go inside.
Oh, okay. No,
School bus.
that's not a school bus, man.